welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley and thank you for watching, and if you are old here, hey, how are you? Alright, so today we are going to be trying the Lizzo nature, I was about to say salad, but it's not salad, the Lizzo nature cereal. So let me go get all the supplies and then we'll be right back to you in a second.
Oh, what the fuck?
So, first you'll need the coconut water. Oh, some blueberries. And some pomegranate. Pomegranate's probably sold out everywhere because literally could not find it anywhere. Went to a couple different stores, finally found it. I'm gonna get some ice. So let me get the ice and I'll be right back. I'm gonna rinse off my not strawberries, my blueberries. Hopefully that you get it all rinsed off for a little bit, if you don't. You never know what could be on there, you know? Do you see it? Before I eat this, and this is gonna be really good because the coconut water wasn't bad, the pomegranate was pretty good, and the blueberries are actually really good. Okay, so this is my sister Jocelyn. You might want to stir it up. I'm kind of scared.
You try it first.
It's just pomegranate, blueberries.
Parmesan.
We're at
Pomegranate, blueberries, water, and ice.
And it doesn't have water. It's not water.
Oh, it's coconut water. That's nasty as hell.
It's actually kind of good.
It is kind of good. Want a bite?
No. You guys should have probably used the crunch ice.
Okay.
No, we have crunchy ice. It does come
No,
with the
people use this
refrigerator.
ice.
No.
How's it taste?
Like a smoothie.
Surprisingly, this is actually really good.
I think you guys are just fat.
My mom.
Who are you guys recording this for?
YouTube.
These nuts.
You don't have nuts. You wish you did. Let me just taste it. Oh, what the fuck?
I actually like
You
it.
guys are young and dumb. That's why. That is nasty. And you know it's nasty.
No, I actually like it, Mom.
It's actually good.
And I'm picky.
Ew, that looks disgusting.
Lizzo, you outdid yourself once again.
Ew.
Want a bite?
No thanks.
Do you like blueberries?
There's blueberries that come out, so.
It's alright.
It's nasty.
Is it good?
I don't know if I would personally like make this all the time. Like maybe every once in a while. It was so hard to find the pomegranate too. Because like Lizzo literally sold out pomegranate.
Devil.
Alright, Mom. Thank you for coming, watching this video.
I'm not watching you.
If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. And comment down below what videos you guys would like to see in the future. Bye, babes.